Master at work. This is my mentor right here.
Don't do that.
This is going on YouTube, Ron. What do you think of that?
No, it ain't. We're in trouble if I'm your mentor.
That's why I'm here all the time, because you're mentoring me.
Yeah.
To be a better person.
Let's tell the truth.
That's because you're mentoring me to be a better person. Ron is a true Christian. His wife is a Christian.
We love the Lord.
God bless. And they have such a blessed marriage.
Yes, we do.
How long you guys been together?
35 years.
35 years.
Wonderful, wonderful years.
What year did you get married?
I can't count that far back.
He's a typical guy. Can't remember.
Yeah.
But how much did you pay for that clock over there? I bet he could tell you that.
Which clock? One I traded coffee grinders for?
Ron is a blessed person, and
yes.
he needs my help every once in a while.
Yes, I do.
And so I come up here only because every time I come up here, I get a few more subscribers to my YouTube channel. And so it's worth the 3,000-mile round trip that I had to get here. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed this little comedy.
Oh, no.
And God bless.
God bless.